Hi there, welcome to this course. And in this course, you will learn how to create a fully functional online education website using WordPress, which will be absolutely free and without the need to write any code. Whether you are a teacher or tutor or a student or doing any work and you are looking to start your own online education platform, this course will guide you step by step through the process. You will learn how to set up WordPress. You can customize the themes and integrate essential tools for delivering courses, quizzes, and communication. And that is all without touching a line of code. You don't need to do any coding, and there's also no need of coding required. So, so this is the website expertsteachers.com, and I will show you like how you will be able to build a website like this. And this website is for will work as a marketplace. That is, students can come on this website and register, and instructor as well can register on this website, and they can sell their courses. Students can buy the courses and just go through the courses. They can enroll in the courses. Okay, so any type of courses you will be able to list on this website. So this is the website okay, and this is very fast website, and I will show you the features of this website in a just few minutes. Before that, I just would like to tell something about me. So I am Yogesh, and I am instructor at Udemy, and I also work with MNC as a senior software engineer, and I worked with TCS and Publicis Sapient like organization in the past. And so I have some all courses these are my other courses like WordPress for beginners. This is just particular about the WordPress, how to use the WordPress, and this is complete SQL and performance testing for Apache JMeter automation tool, and this is a software testing concept. Okay, so but in this course which I'm going to tell you, this is about like how you can create an online education website for free using WordPress, and there's no need of coding. Okay, so after finishing this course, you will be able to build a website like this. So let me just go through the functionality. How is the functionality of this website? So this is the website expertsteachers.com. You can also check this website like how what is the functionality. So here you can see this is the first button, that is find courses. So it will just go to the courses page. Whatever the course you want to list on your website, you can just list the course. Okay, and in the this is the home page, and this is about us, this is contact us, just form to contact, and this is the cart. You can check your shopping cart. This is login and register. So basically, first of all, any one who will come to this page, he will just register, he needs to register whether a student or an instructor. So this is for the sign in, and this is just a short form for register, just name, username, email, and password. So I have already created an account. So let me just show you like how to log in into it. So I'm just going to log in to this. Okay, and I'm just clicking on sign in. I have entered username, password. So here you can see this is will be the dashboard. Okay, so like this is for the student basically, but if any student or any person wants to enroll for to become an instructor, he just need to click on this button, become an instructor. So so after that it will display you like this. Okay, and uh, it will ask you to apply now. Okay, you can just click on apply now, and okay, just I'm going to show you like, so what will happen. So here you can see already applied. Here this is a message already applied for instructor. So this user has applied for the instructor. Okay, and so there will be an, once the admin of this website, he will see like this is a request from this, so he will take further actions like whether to accept that request or he can decline. Okay, so that depends on it. So okay, uh, so this is for the student dashboard, like it tells how many enrolled courses it has, active courses, completed courses. So that will happen on like these are the enrolled courses. So basically this is just a new user, and here you can see this is your application is pending, and this is for instructor, becoming an instructor. So the functionality wise this is a very good website. Okay, and it has all of the features for an online education website. And so basically this is the order history and question and answer. So he can see all of the details about reviews done. Okay, enrolled courses if he will, so he will just go to, the user will go to courses, and these are the courses. If he will, he can just purchase any course, he can just add it to the cart, and here you can see on the cart it is. So now it has been added. Okay, so it will proceed to checkout. Okay, so he can just go to proceed to checkout and make the payment, and there are lots of payment option available. Okay, so I'm not going to show you, but okay, so like this will come. Okay, so you can do integration with the pay by razor pay, whatever. I will tell you all of these things. And so this is the dashboard, profile settings. So these are the option. Okay, and a student can do, and after becoming an instructor he will be able to sell the courses, he will be able to just publish their courses on this website. Okay, so this is just about an introduction about this website, like how the website we are going to make, and this will be free of cost. Okay, there will be no charges required to make this website. So basically, but there are two things which is required. Let me show you that thing. So like you, what you need to have a website, so there's a requirement of like you, first of all you need to have a domain name, that is the web name of the website. Like I do have expertsteachers.com, and like this is google.com, amazon.com. So this is the name of the website, this is you need. And another thing is web hosting plan. So like there is free or paid web hosting plan, and this is like weebly.com. There are many, you can google, and there are many companies who provide free web hosting plan. But there's a disadvantage, like if you want to have a name like traveling.com, so you will get this name as traveling.weebly.com or traveling.000webhost.com. You will get the subdomain. Okay, in free web hosting plan. But if you want to go for paid web hosting plan, like you can go from godaddy.com, hostinger.com extra. So you can just buy uh, the name like traveling.com. There will be no subdomain included in that. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So next is, so basically this is my referral code for hosting a website. If you want to just uh, use it, you can use it to get a good discount. you will get more than 75% discount if you will use this referral code. uh, so it's up to you. Okay, so you are invited to hosting a, so you will get another 20% and 75%. So I'm going to click on start. So I'm just selecting. You can just select the plan as per your requirement. These are the features. Like this is, if you want to just go for one website, you can just choose this single plan. Otherwise, these are the another plans which have, like, this is for 25, 50, 100 website and storage capacity. So you can just go for the plan as you want. There are another web hosting services also, like GoDaddy, uh, Bluehost, and there are so many companies. You can opt for like any website you want to go, but I recommend Hostinger because it has very good services, and I never felt any issue with this web hosting company. So after that, you can just select a plan. It's up to you. You can just go for any company. So here you can see, like, if you will use my referral code, then you will get huge discount of 75% and referral discount as well. Okay, so like you can also select like how much time period you want, and you will also get one free domain and 3 months free. There will be some offer you will get. Okay, so let me show you. So like if you want to buy a domain, so what you need to do is you can search domain name. You can just go to the services and you can search for the domain. Suppose you want to buy a website traveling.com and search. So there are some websites which is already taken. Like if I will flipkart.com, if I will search for that, so this is already taken. Someone already has bought this domain and this is not available for sale. Okay, so here you can see this is already taken. Amazon.com, Amazon.in. So you won't be able to buy that. Okay, if that is not available for sale. So it will show you some another options, whatever the available. Okay, so yeah, uh, it will show some on information. It's good to go with the .com. Okay, and this will be another option if you want to go. So as an example, I'm just telling you, like, if you want to buy this domain, so you just need to search for that domain, and once it will be available, you can just click on buy now, and you, after that, you just need to enter your details, like there will be a simple form to enter your details and for how much period you want to buy. Okay, you just need to enter those details and your contact, email, phone number, name. Those will be the details you need to fill. After that, you just need to make the payment. Okay, so once you will make the payment and you will log in, so you will come to uh, the dashboard like this. Okay, so once you will come on the, this is the H panel of Hostinger. And so once, this is my domain, that is homerealestates.com. If you will see, so right now it's not working because I deleted all the files uh, on it. To show you on this domain, I will show you how to make a website like this by step. Okay, so once you will come on this dashboard, you just need to go to the WordPress, and then you just need to click on the overview, and then you just need to click on, because there's a already installed WordPress on my website, so that's why it is showing me this option. Otherwise you just need to select an option, select WordPress. There will be option select WordPress. You just need to click on that, and once you will click on install, so it will show you an pop-up which will contain just very simple information, and you just need to click on next. It will ask for to enter admin password. Okay, and it will show you the admin email, password, and website site title. Okay, these three options you will get, and you just need to click on next and just need to click on install WordPress. Okay, so you just do this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.